Reaching a net worth of $100,000 is often considered a pivotal milestone in personal finance. It's not just another number, it's a significant threshold that can dramatically alter the trajectory of your financial future. For many, the journey to this point involves careful budgeting, disciplined saving, and smart investing. But what makes this particular figure so special? Why do financial experts often emphasize the importance of crossing this line? The answer lies in the unique combination of psychological and financial factors that come into play once you hit the $100,000 mark. This milestone represents more than just accumulated wealth. It signals the beginning of a powerful compounding process where your money starts to work harder for you. At this point, the snowball effect kicks in and the growth of your net worth accelerates at a much faster pace. This acceleration is driven by increased access to investment opportunities, enhanced financial habits, and the confidence that comes with financial security. In this video, we'll delve into the reasons why your net worth tends to skyrocket after reaching $100,000. You'll discover the secrets behind this phenomenon and learn how to harness these factors to continue building wealth well beyond this critical point. Before we delve into the video, if you're interested in improving your financial future, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if this video is helpful. Now let's continue. One of the most compelling reasons why your net worth accelerates after reaching $100,000 is the power of compound interest. This financial principle, often described as the eighth wonder of the world, is the foundation of wealth building. Compound interest is essentially the process of earning interest on both the principal amount and the interest that has already been added to it. In other words, your money starts making money, and that newly earned money begins to generate even more returns. When your net worth is lower, say $10,000 or $20,000, the effects of compound interest are modest. The returns you receive on such amounts are relatively small, and while they contribute to your overall wealth, the growth is often slow and steady. However, when you reach $100,000, the dynamics change significantly. The returns on your investments become more substantial, and the impact of compound interest becomes increasingly powerful. For example, consider a simple investment earning a 7% annual return. With a $10,000 investment, you'd earn $700 in a year. However, with a $100,000 investment, that 7% return translates to $7,000 in a year. The difference is striking, and this is where the acceleration of your net worth begins. As your investment grows, the amount of interest you earn increases exponentially, creating a snowball effect. Furthermore, the magic of compound interest lies in its exponential nature. Over time, the interest you earn on your investment starts to compound, meaning that your returns themselves generate returns. This compounding effect becomes more pronounced as your investment balance grows. With a larger principal amount, the returns you earn each year contribute more significantly to your net worth, and this effect compounds over the years. To truly appreciate the power of compound interest, consider a long-term perspective. Let's say you invest $100,000 at a 7% annual return and let it grow for 20 years without adding any additional funds. After 20 years, your investment would grow to approximately $386,000. In contrast, if you started with just $10,000, the same 7% return over 20 years would result in about $38,600. The difference in final amounts illustrates how the growth rate accelerates as your initial investment increases. Another key reason why your net worth tends to skyrocket after reaching $100,000 is the increased access to investment opportunities. As your wealth grows, so does your ability to participate in more lucrative and diverse investment options. This access is not just about having more money to invest, it's about being able to take advantage of opportunities that were previously out of reach. One of the primary benefits of reaching a $100,000 net worth is the ability to diversify your investment portfolio. Diversification is a fundamental principle of investing, as it allows you to spread your risk across different asset classes, industries, and geographic regions. When you have a smaller net worth, your investment options are often limited to a few basic assets, such as stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. However, with $100,000 or more, you can start exploring more sophisticated investment vehicles. For example, real estate becomes a more viable option once you reach this financial milestone. Real estate investments often require significant capital up front, whether you're purchasing rental properties, investing in commercial real estate, or participating in real estate investment trusts. With a higher net worth, you can afford to make these investments, which can provide steady income streams and long-term appreciation. Private equity and venture capital are other investment opportunities that become accessible at higher net worth levels. These investments typically require a minimum amount of capital that might be prohibitive for those with lower net worth. Private equity involves investing in privately held companies, often providing higher returns than public equities, albeit with higher risks. Venture capital allows you to invest in startups and early-stage companies, which can offer substantial returns if the company succeeds. Moreover, as your net worth increases, you may qualify as an accredited investor, a designation that opens the door to even more exclusive investment opportunities. Accredited investors have access to investments such as hedge funds, private placements, and certain crowdfunding platforms that are not available to the general public. These opportunities often come with higher potential returns, although they also carry higher risks. Reaching a net worth of $100,000 is often a reflection of improved financial habits and discipline. This milestone is typically not achieved by accident. It requires consistent effort, smart financial decisions, and a commitment to long-term wealth-building strategies. Once you reach this level, these habits and disciplines tend to solidify, creating a foundation for even greater financial success. One of the most significant changes that occur as you approach and surpass $100,000 in net worth is a shift in your financial mindset. By this point, you've likely developed a deeper understanding of the importance of budgeting, saving, and investing. These habits are crucial for accumulating wealth, and as you continue to practice them, they become ingrained in your daily life. For instance, you may have established a habit of regularly reviewing your finances, tracking your spending, and setting financial goals. These practices help you stay on top of your financial situation and make informed decisions about where to allocate your resources. As you continue to build wealth, these habits become second nature, allowing you to manage your money more effectively and avoid common financial pitfalls. Another important aspect of improved financial habits is disciplined saving. By the time you reach $100,000 in net worth, you likely have a well-established savings routine. Whether it's setting aside a portion of your income for emergencies, retirement, or future investments, disciplined saving is key to maintaining and growing your wealth. As your net worth increases, this habit becomes even more critical, as larger amounts of money need to be managed and allocated wisely. Investing is another area where improved habits and discipline come into play. As you gain more experience and knowledge about investing, you're likely to become more strategic in your approach. This might involve diversifying your portfolio, rebalancing your investments regularly, or choosing low-cost index funds over high-fee, actively managed funds. These practices help you maximize your returns while minimizing risks, contributing to the steady growth of your net worth. Psychological momentum and confidence are powerful forces that contribute to the acceleration of your net worth after reaching $100,000. The psychological impact of achieving this milestone cannot be underestimated. It often serves as a turning point in how you view and manage your finances. This newfound confidence can drive you to make bolder financial decisions, take calculated risks, and pursue opportunities that further enhance your wealth. One of the most significant psychological benefits of reaching $100,000 in net worth is the sense of accomplishment it brings. For many people, this milestone represents years of hard work, discipline, and smart financial decisions. Achieving this goal can boost your self-esteem and reinforce the belief that you are capable of managing your finances effectively. This sense of accomplishment can motivate you to set even higher financial goals and work towards them with renewed energy and determination. With increased confidence comes a greater willingness to take calculated risks. When your net worth is relatively low, you may be more conservative in your financial decisions, avoiding risks that could jeopardize your savings. However, once you reach $100,000, you have a financial cushion that can absorb potential losses, making you more comfortable with exploring higher risk, higher reward opportunities. For example, you might consider investing in individual stocks, real estate, or even starting your own business, ventures that carry more risk but also offer the potential for significant returns. This shift in risk tolerance can lead to more aggressive wealth-building strategies, which, when executed wisely, can result in substantial growth of your net worth. The psychological momentum gained from reaching $100,000 can create a positive feedback loop. As your confidence grows, you become more proactive in seeking out financial opportunities, whether it's exploring new investments, negotiating better terms on existing assets, or leveraging your network to identify lucrative ventures. This proactive approach can lead to more financial successes, further boosting your confidence and reinforcing the cycle of wealth accumulation. Another psychological factor that comes into play is the concept of the success cycle. When you achieve a significant financial milestone like $100,000, it validates the strategies and habits you've implemented, encouraging you to continue on the same path. This success cycle creates a sense of momentum, where each financial achievement propels you toward the next, creating a snowball effect of increasing net worth. As your net worth increases, particularly after reaching the $100,000 mark, one of the most impactful changes you'll notice is enhanced leverage and improved creditworthiness. These factors play a crucial role in accelerating your wealth growth because they allow you to access better financial products, lower borrowing costs, and more significant investment opportunities. Leverage is a powerful financial tool that involves using borrowed capital to increase the potential return on an investment. It's often said that leverage is a double-edged sword. It can amplify gains but also magnify losses. However, when used wisely and with a solid financial foundation, leverage can significantly boost your net worth. One of the most common forms of leverage is using a mortgage to purchase real estate. For example, if you have $100,000, you could potentially use that as a down payment on a property worth $400,000. By borrowing the remaining $300,000 through a mortgage, you're able to control a much larger asset than you could with your cash alone. As the property value appreciates, the return on your initial investment, the $100,000 down payment, can be substantial, especially when compared to returns from non-leveraged investments. The concept of leverage isn't limited to real estate. Investors with a net worth of $100,000 or more can also access margin accounts for trading stocks. A margin account allows you to borrow money from your brokerage to purchase securities, thereby increasing your purchasing power. While this strategy can be risky, it can also result in higher returns if the value of the purchased securities rises. Enhanced creditworthiness is another critical factor that comes into play as your net worth increases. Creditworthiness refers to your ability to borrow money and the likelihood that you will repay your debts. It's often measured by your credit score, which lenders use to assess the risk of lending to you. Generally, the higher your credit score, the more favorable the terms you'll receive on loans, including lower interest rates and higher credit limits. When your net worth exceeds $100,000, it signals to lenders that you're financially responsible and capable of managing larger sums of money. This perception can result in more favorable loan terms, such as lower interest rates on mortgages, personal loans, and credit cards. Over time, these savings on interest payments can add up, leaving you with more money to invest and grow your net worth. Reaching a net worth of $100,000 is more than just a financial milestone. It's a turning point that can set the stage for accelerated wealth growth. By understanding and harnessing these factors, you can continue to build and grow your wealth well beyond the $100,000 mark. The journey to financial success is ongoing, and each milestone brings new opportunities and challenges. With the right strategies and mindset, you can achieve even greater levels of financial prosperity and secure your financial future. I hope you found this video helpful. Before you go, don't forget to check out my other videos. See you in the next one.